Exercise number 1, Frog Crunch. Lie back, bring the soles of your feet together, knees wide, and crunch up hard. Squeeze your abs at the top and lower with control. Stay tight through your core, feel the deep ab activation. Exercise number 2, Flutter Kicks. Lie flat, keep your legs straight, and kick them up and down fast. Keep your lower back pressed into the floor and your core locked in. Small, quick movements, this one lights up your lower abs. Exercise number 3, Bicycle Crunch. Twist side to side, bringing opposite elbow to knee. Extend the other leg fully and keep the motion smooth. Control the twist and squeeze those obliques with every rep, stay focused. Exercise number 4, Plank Jack. Hold a strong plank position and jump your feet in and out. Keep your hips low, core tight, and shoulders stable. This is cardio and core combined, stay explosive and controlled. Exercise number 5, Leg Raises. Lift your legs up with control, then slowly lower them without touching the floor. Keep your core engaged the entire time and avoid swinging. This is where abs are built, push through.